Hello student, welcome to Math Logic, and today we will discuss about ratio and proportion. This chapter is very important for grade 9 and grade 10 student for all boards. Do not skip the video, write each and every problem in your notebook and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. In the very first question, it is given that if x is to y equals to 4 is to 7, find the value of 3x plus 2y is to 5x plus y. X by y equals to 4 by 7 equals to k, where k is a constant and k not equals to 0. So x equals to 4k and y equals to 7k. Now we have to find the value. 3x plus 2y divided by 5x plus y. So 3 multiplied 4k plus 2 multiplied 7k divided by 5 multiplied 4k plus 7k. So 3 into 4 equals to 12, 2 into 7 equals to 14, 12 plus 14 equals to 26k divided by 5 into 4 20 plus 7 27k. So k and k cancel out. So we get 26 is to 27. That is the correct answer for the first question. In the second question, it is given that a is to b equals to 3 is to 8. Find the value of 4a plus 3b is to 6a minus b. It is very similar to the first one. So use the same technology. A by b equals to 3 by 8 equals to k, where k not equals to 0. So A equals to 3k, B is equals to 8k. So 4a plus 3b divide by 6a minus b. 4 multiplied 3k plus 3 multiplied 8k divide by 6 multiplied 3k minus 8k. 4 into 3 12, 3 into 8 24, 24 plus 12 that is 36k. Divide by 3 into 6 18 minus 8 that is 10k. So k and k cancel out. 36 and 10 cancel out. We get 18 by 5. That means 18 is to 5 is the correct answer for the second one. Now you have to try one question. If a is to b is equals to 5 is to 7, then you have to find the value of 3a minus 4b is to 5a minus 7b. Solve it and comment your answer. Okay. Third question. If m plus n divided by m plus 3n equals to 2 by 3, then find 2n square divided by 3m square plus mn. This is different type. M plus n plus m plus 3n equals to 2 by 3. So first we have to find the value of m by n, right? So what can we do? We just use cross multiply. 3m plus 3n equals to 2m plus 6n. Now 3m, this 2m comes left side, that is minus 2m, equals to 6n. 3n comes right side, so minus 3n. So we get m is equals to 3n, that means m by n is equals to 3 by 1. Now we take equals to k. So we get m equals to 3k and n equals to k. Now we put the value in the question. So we get 2 into k square divide by 3 into 3k whole square plus 3k into k. So we get 2k square divided by 3 into 9k square plus 3k square. That means 2k square divided by 27 plus 3 that is 30. So 30k square. Now k square cancel out. 2 and 30 cancel out. We get 15 in the denominator. Therefore, 1 is to 15 is the correct answer. I hope you understand the video. If you have any doubt, then comment below. I will definitely answer you. The next question, question number 4. Which quantity must be subtracted from each term of the ratio 7 is to 9 is to 17 to make it 1 is to 3? We didn't know which term should be subtracted. So what can we do? We just take let x should be subtracted. So from numerator and from denominator, x should be subtracted. That means 9 minus x divided by 17 minus x is equals to 1 by 3. Now we use the cross multiplication method. So we get 17 minus x is equals to 27 minus 3x. So minus x minus 3x comes the left side. So minus x plus 3x equals to 27 minus 17. So we get 2x is equals to 10. That means x equals to 10 by 2, which is equals to 5. So 5 should be subtracted, and that is the correct answer. And the very last question is, if a is to b equals to 3 is to 4 and b is to c equals to 6 is to 7, then we have to find a is to c. So a by b is equals to 3 by 4 and b is to c equals to 6 is to 7. That means b by c is equals to 6 by 7. So in the first case, b is 4. In the second case, b is 6. What can we do? We try to simplify them. So for the first one, we multiply 6, numerator and denominator both, we get 3 into 6 by 4 into 6. And for the second one, we multiply 4, numerator and denominator both. So 3 into 6, 18 divided by 24. 6 is to 4, 24 divided by 28. Now, both the cases b is very similar, which is 24. Now we find a is to c, that is 18 is to 24. Both are divisible by 2, that is equals to 9 is to 14, and that is the correct answer for the last one. I hope you understand whole video. Subscribe the channel for more information and share with your friend. Thank you. Have a good day.